I'm personal injury attorney Neil Shouse. I represent victims who were injured in accidents caused by defective tires. A question I get all the time from victims is, who can we hold responsible? Who can we sue to get compensation for our injuries? The answer is that there are three potential defendants that we can look to when filing a lawsuit. First is the manufacturer. Oftentimes we find that the tire itself was poorly designed, was made of low-quality rubber and carbon, and was basically a time bomb from the moment it rolled off the assembly line. The second party is the installer. Oftentimes we find that the tires were improperly sized, mounted, secured, and inspected at the shop. This makes for a deadly accident waiting to happen. The third party is the owner of the vehicle. This is when somebody else's tire blows out, causing a multi-car accident in which you were injured. Oftentimes we find that the person knew their tire was low on air pressure or tread and needed to be serviced or replaced, but they ignored these warnings and drove anyway because they didn't want to spend the time or money to get safe working tires. If you or a loved one is the victim of a car crash caused by a defective tire, we invite you to call us here at Shouse Law Group. We can help to get compensation for medical bills, for lost wages, pain and suffering, and oftentimes punitive damages.